Hello, teacher. Task 3, planning the trip. Travel Agency City Tour. Owner, Franci Lorena Micanker Sertuch. Popayán is known as the White City of Colombia. It is a tourist city. Popayán has different typical dishes. The trip lasts 3 days and 3 nights. You can come to Popayán using a private car, bus, plane. In Popayán, you should not take transportation because everything is very close. The first day in Popayán. The first day we can visit the History Center. We will be knowing Caldas Park, Mayor, Government. The second day in Popayán, we will be knowing the churches, museums, and house culture. And the third day in Popayán, we will be getting to know Town Patojo. You can buy different handicrafts and eat empanadas, tamales of pipián, carentanta with hogao, shampoos, blackberry smoothie places with ice cream. During your stay in Popayán, you can stay in the different hotels the city. Popayán has hotels very good. The cost of the tourist package for Popayán is 600,000 pesos. Thank you, teacher. See you later.